Ethan Cohen. Ethan Cohen.
They were actors who dreamed of leaving Tucson, Arizona, but no one would give them a chance until one drama teacher came up with a show so offensive, it just might be their ticket to stardom.
Jesus is sexy, which leads us on to the musical interlude, Rock Me Sexy Jesus.
Hamlet 2 is tremendously hilarious. Welcome to Comedy Heaven from the co-writer of Hamlet 2.
My dad finds out what I've been up to. He's gonna crucify me.
My name is Harvey Milk, and I'm here to recruit you.
If homosexuals are allowed their civil rights, and so would prostitutes or thieves or anyone else.
We need one of our own in office.
You'll be the first openly gay man elected to major office.
Society can't exist without the family. We're not against that. Can two men reproduce? No, but God knows we keep trying. Harvey Milk will be stabbed and have a night of horror. Call the police. They probably wrote it. You have an issue. It's more than an issue. This is our lives we're fighting for.
Sean Penn, Ellen Hurst, Josh Wood, Diego Luna, and James Franklin.
Without hope, life is not worth living. You've got to give them hope. You've got to give them hope.
From the mind of Joel and Ethan Cohen, creators of Fargo, Raising Arizona, and Oh Brother, Where Art Thou?
What is this?
Obviously, you're not a golfer.
I'm gonna watch that in 2000.
Jeff Bridges stars as the Dude.
Cocktail? Careful, man. There's a beverage here. Are you employing Mr. Lebowski? I am not Mr. Lebowski. You're Mr. Lebowski. I'm the Dude. So that's what you call me, you know? That or his dudeness or duder or, you know, El Duderino if you're not into the whole brevity thing.
In the cult classic, The Big Lebowski, John Goodman as Walter.
Music. Lucy!
You didn't think I was rolling out here naked, did you? Steve Buscemi as Donnie.
They posted the next round of the tournament.
Donnie, show. What do we play?
Julianne Moore as Maud.
Was that yoga?
It increases the chances of conception.
And John Turturro as
Jesus. You said it, Mom.
The Big Lebowski. Special edition now on DVD. Now on DVD, The Office.
Ain't no party like a screen party, cause a screen party don't stop.
The primetime Emmy-winning Best Comedy. Starring Golden Globe winner Steve Carell.
I just hope that this doesn't affect our friendship.
The fans love it.
Love it.
The critics love it.
Love it.
I think we broke his brain.
It's one of the best written, wittiest, and most hilarious sitcoms.
Do I care that I wasn't invited to Michael's dinner party?
Yep, it's the funniest show on TV.
I feel very blessed.
Now it can be yours to own.
I'm sorry, is this a working office?
With hours of deleted scenes and loaded with bonus features. Buy it for yourself or someone you love.
I have a friend who's single.
Would an average rowboat support her without capsizing? It bothers me that you're not answering the question.
The Office Season 4. Own it on DVD. And catch The Office every Thursday on NBC.
It is the choice that each of us must face. To remain ordinary, or you can take control of your own destiny. Join us. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Here we go again. Decision that lies before you.
Choice.
The choice is yours.
Who are you?
I'm like the assistant animal trainer. When it comes to pets,
They have all these freaky animals, and all I want is a dog.
Eddie has one rule.
Hey!
No dogs.
Who is this? This is Beethoven.
Don't worry, we're taking you to a nice new home. But now,
Beethoven!
this dog is the star of my movie. Ta-da! The rules are about to change.
You're training the star.
The one smelling his own bottom.
Oh, come on! Beethoven is bringing home the bacon. That's my bacon. Bringing down the house. No! And bringing the family closer together. You really love that dog, huh?
Not as much as I love you, Dad.
Jonathan Silverman, Rhea Perlman, Caesar Milan, the Dog Whisperer, with Moises Arias and Eddie Griffin. Featuring music from today's hottest artists, Universal Studios presents... No! 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 Beethoven's Big Break, premiering on DVD December 30th.
6 movie collection. Big book by Mike Gilly.
Rated PG.
Yeah. By the Classification Rayming Administration. www.filmrace.com. And yes, I'm going to watch